Ngibuza ukuthi mina ngokwamiki yabo ngempela uNkulunkulu uhlala ezulwini. Bonke baphendula bathi yes baba udokotela, God lives in heaven. Ngithi mina uNkulunkulu udala umhlaba. Is God created earth as well? Indeed baba udokotela, God created earth as well. Oh, that's nice. Where was he staying before? God, where was he staying before he created heaven and earth? Where was he staying before? Ngiyabamba ngokwelokishi thina saseyinyoni singekho. Wasikhandela iRDP le umhlaba. Ngiyabamba ngokwezigebengu wakha iParliament leli izulu ohlala nabaxhaka laba bazengilosi. Uyayizwa lento? Ihlama vese leziyana. Uhlala nazo ke zampathe lezana. Akwazi ukuthi ungaloku usalothi indoda eyodwa uthi yebo baba. No, noma uhlala impilo ngoba uyiphumela eminyango yobhema. Yona ingilosi esuthi ayisaqale nje. Asaqale nje yona uthi ihambe yobhema. Ake uNkulunkulu uyibambeke ngokomgaqo. Wakhe izulu akha umhlaba. Ezulwini uhlala khona ubehlala pha ngene eqaleni. Esefika ohlala ezulu ushiye balade ehlala khona. Ingane zakho uzile nazo ngapha, imoto zakho uyipaka pha. Asibambi kahle ukuthi ubehlala pha lomthaka. Yabo? Ake nisitshele. Nina nobabili. MaSulumane namaKristu nihlangane ndawonye emva kwendlu bese kubuye kuza one by one. Uthi yewa abdotela ngithi ubani lona athi mina ngithi lalela ke sithini ngathi hayi kahle uNkulunkulu mase silenda ngokwelokishi ubehlala endaweni ukuthi nento zakho ayishela phansi wakhe izulu ngoba nje asibambi ngempela ukuthi lapha ya ushiye balade ehlala khona. Where was he staying before lo mthaka lona? This is baba udokotela baba sesibojabule ufana umhleja kahle umzulu amancinci.